Hey Tri-Cities, Julie here with Coldwell Banker, inviting you to join us for this weekend's open houses. I think Mother Nature's going to be a little kinder. You probably won't be swept away and you might even get a little sunshine. So I hope you can make it. Look forward to seeing you there. Have you ever done that? Have you ever walked through your house wearing two different shoes?
No.
I have. Okay, this one's gonna be overly animated, so you're probably gonna have to cut this one back. Okay, ready?
All right.
Okay. I'm like, okay, that was too animated. The first one always is, because it's like nerves. All right, well, it says it's supposed to be a little nicer, so maybe we'll just tone it down just in case it's not that nice. Inviting you to join us for the for singing contest. Inviting you to join us for our weekends. Oh no, not for our weekends. Hey Tri-Cities, Julie here with